Hi kids! Today we are making a healthy flower bouquet. The ingredients for the day are going to be 4 different fruits. You can use whichever you have at home. For example, I have a green apple, a banana, and a mango. If you want to use vegetables, you can also do it. In this case, I have some cherry tomatoes, and you could use some carrots if you wanted. To cut the fruit, you need to have a knife. Make sure it's not pointy, it has a round point, and you need a cutting board. And to make the final flowers, you're going to need skewers or wooden sticks and a jar. A jar can be also a flower vase or a plastic bottle. Start by cutting your fruit in different shapes. I'm going to cut my mango first in slices and then in triangles. Do the same with all the ingredients you have. Cut them all in different shapes. If you want to use a cookie cutter, you can also do it. In this case, I am going to use a flower cookie cutter to make the flowers in my apples. Now it's the time to assemble. Take your skewer or wooden stick and start sticking or pinching all of your fruit in your skewer. Make sure you do not pinch your fingers. You have to be very careful. You can put the fruit in whichever order you want. Once you have your flowers ready, it's time to put them in the jar. You can arrange them any way you want and you will have a beautiful, healthy bouquet. You can use it for Mother's Day or for your Teacher's Day or to just enjoy a healthy meal.